Today, we are slow smoking a great big tomahawk ribeye. Folks, this ribeye is about 3 pounds. We're gonna cook it on this portable pellet grill. So stick around, let's see if this little grill will cook up this great big steak. As you can see, that's a pretty tomahawk and it is a big one. Not gonna put a lot of seasoning on it today. I'm gonna go with one rub, and that's double pepper cow cover from Cosmos. As far as a standalone rub goes, folks, I will season a brisket with nothing but this. It works on things besides beef too, though, even though it's called cow cover. But I'm gonna get a good amount on here. It is 3 pounds. And this has double the pepper, and it's a coarser grind than regular cow cover. I have had this sitting out for about an hour, so you're never gonna come all the way up to room temperature, right? You'd have to have it out for hours to do that all the way through. But the surface of this is going to be about room temperature. What that's going to do for us is it's going to prevent it from sweating. The less it sweats, the more browning we're going to have. So this steak's going to brown up nicely. I just pressing my rub on there. I can roll it around on here. We're going to let this sit a little bit longer till that grill gets up to about 230 degrees. Like I said, I don't want to cook this real fast. It is Mother's Day today, and I'm all alone. My wife is with her mother today. So she bought me this ribeye so I could have a good time. So let's look at this grill, and we'll see if we can get this on it. This is the Essential from ASMOKE. I like it. It's not too heavy. It's be easy to carry around in the truck. I really want this to be a good grill because I want to take this and use it on the beach this summer to grill some fish, grill hot dogs, grill sausage, whatever we may want to do while we're out on the beach fishing. As you can see right here, is one thing I really like is the hopper is not inside of here. Many of these portable grills, the hopper's inside. This is actually detachable. It collapses. You can store it inside. It's got a nice touch screen on it that y'all can see right here. Easy to read, and it also goes to your phone. It does have 2 probes, tells you how hot it is in Texas today because they're not hooked up yet. So it's 91 and 93 according to those 2 probes, and it's 233 in there. So we can get this steak on there, and we're gonna see exactly how good this ASMOKE Essential will slow smoke a very, very big tomahawk ribeye. We're about 30 minutes in here. I'm gonna show you how much smoke it's caught so far. I think it's looking pretty good. Sorry, I missed getting it on. Forgot to hit the record button, but you can see this steak. We're working on getting it up to about 125 degrees. You could be wondering exactly why haven't I shown you this before. Here's what happened. Got the grill in about 6 months ago. It was back before Christmas. Did a cook on it with chicken. It cooked pretty good. Had a couple of questions, little things acted up. I'll show you one of the problems I had and how that was solved. But then after that first cook, the battery would never recharge. And let you know, ASMOKE did send this to me. So got hold of them and said, hey, I need a battery. They didn't have any single batteries at the time. They say, when we get some new batteries in, we'll send it to you. Well, I never heard back. Sent some emails, didn't hear back. Well, the other day, a battery showed up in the mail. Hey, Chef, sorry it's been so long, but we got some batteries in. Hope you enjoy it. Anxious to hear your review. So, went to looking for that old footage. Couldn't find it. If I find it between now and the time I put this up, I'll put the chicken cook on there or parts of it. But anyways, that was the issue, is I didn't have a battery for it. And I wanted to have that to finish everything up. But I'm excited. It's running today. It's supposed to run for about 8 or 9 hours on one charge. If it'll do that, you can do a pork butt, not a great big one, but a smaller one. You know, definitely a pork loin. Ribs, you'd have to cut them down, St. Louis maybe to get them on here. But there's a lot of things you could do with these. Hamburgers, steaks, everything like that would work great. If this works on the beach, I am gonna be one happy individual. Here we go, let's see if we can get this focused. This is the app, and as you can see, it's got nice big numbers on it. Well, those numbers were about twice that big. And I couldn't figure out why. They were hard to read because they were too big for that circle. So got hold of ASMOKE. They said, hey, not our problem. That's something with your phone. And all it is the settings on your font. So I have my settings set kind of large on my font so that I can read my text and everything like that, but it made these numbers too big for this screen. So when I'm using the app, I just turn this down smaller and then it fits in there and I can read everything just fine. But there you go, that's the app. It will take you through different settings. Here's home. So you can go up there, hello Chef Johnny, quick start, grilling mode, everything you want to do there, and it will tell you. I got it set at 230, it's running 241. So a little warmer than it says. I may turn it down because really I'm wanting to keep that in that 230 degrees or lower range. So I may even turn it down in a minute. But that's what the app looks like. It works off your Wi-Fi, so you can pick it up, look at it, I can go in the house, check my Wi-Fi, and everything's on there. It's not Bluetooth, it's Wi-Fi. Here you go. A nice smoked steak. I think I am going to do a little searing. You can see the lever down here, I think, for moving that door. Kind of right there is where it's at. But we're going to open that door up and see if we can get this temperature up and sear that off. I'm just going to lift up my rack, take my knife, see the right there, look. Now, that's a direct opening to our fire pot. Close this up and let's turn the temperature up. Let's open this up. You can see that is good and hot. We're gonna drop our steak on. Go about 60 seconds here. Okay, got that side done. Let's pick it up and turn it over. A little sear right there. Gonna help with our Maillard reaction, right? Another 60 seconds. Let's pick it up. Gonna use our instant read, my little chef's temp here. Let's kind of see where we're at. We're at 127. I don't think it'll hurt to go over again. So, turn it over. Right there. And we're gonna go for another 60 seconds. And I'm gonna go over one more time for our last 60 seconds. So that's 4 minutes of searing time on this. Little close, there it is, go 60 seconds. Our last 60 seconds is up, so let's check it, kind of see where we are at. 128. Oh, up to 130 over there. So let's pull it off. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. And then we will give it a try. Our steak has been resting for about 10 minutes. So it's about time to cut it off the bone. What do you think? Bone look good? So we can get that to focus on it. That's gonna be good eating. Let me tell you. Nice big spinalis on here, or a ribeye cap. That's good. It's that little pocket of fat that is on that ribeye, but I'm not above eating that. So we can slice this up and see what y'all think about it. Down the way here. Slow smoked, about an hour and a half. Folks, would you look at that? That is pretty. That is not a bad looking ribeye at all. Turn this around. You can get a pretty look at it right there. Look here. During that spinalis. Come on, guys. Moist, tender. Slow smoked it for an hour and a half. And then about 4 minutes of searing right at the end. But that steak is going to taste so wonderful. This smaller end goes to my wife when she gets home tonight. That's medium, a little right down on the tip. Got my medium rare up here, but that is a beautiful, beautiful steak. this is a lovely steak. Slow smoking, we use the ASMOKE Apple Pellets on it. They suggest you use their pellets. I'm not sure if it makes a lot of difference. May give it a try with another one, but they say use theirs. Say they burn differently. But I'm gonna look right here. That is a pretty piece. Little spinalis right there. Try it first. Oh yeah, that's good. A lot of smoky flavor, guys. A lot of smoky flavor. I was disappointed with this grill at first. Battery was the big issue today. Ran fine. Didn't have any problems at all. That double pepper cow cover is excellent. Really did add to the flavor of this. Did not cover it up. Enhance the flavor of this beautiful ribeye. But we're going to give this a sample too and see how it turned out. I can tell you this. It is nice and moist and tender. Oh yeah. An excellent steak. I'm glad this is working good. This summer, you're going to see videos of this. We're going to take it down to the beach, see how it operates there. Hopefully, it'll keep doing as good as it did today. So we're excited about that. ASMOKE, put a link below so you can find them, take a look at them. Tell them Chef Johnny sent you over there. But now that I got a new battery, this one's running great. This Tomahawk, my wife brought me for spending Mother's Day alone today while she was with her mom. Turned out fantastic. Thanks for stopping by. I always do appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Tell your friends and family about us. Tell them what's going on here on Texas Barbecue with Chef Johnny. So long, everybody.